Welcome back to the channel, Future Crypto Trading Wizards. Today, I take you into the journey of crypto trading where we unlock the opportunity to trade in either Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm talking about the high liquidity cryptocurrencies where we can make high profits. If you are interested in trading crypto, whether you are a newbie or you are somebody who has been in the trade of cryptocurrencies, I want you to sit tight. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. But those who are already well builders, who have been here from day one, I want to encourage you to like and to comment. I will be right back.
Start with nothing, start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick you build it right. From the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step. Every fall a future step. No experience, just a heart. That's the way you got to start. Income streams, they start to flow. From determination they grow. Build your world with what you do. Financial freedom just for you.
Before we get started, here is the crazy statistics that we have. And over $3 trillion was traded on Bitcoin alone last year. That is the kind of money we are talking about. And are you not excited that you will take some of those profits also trading either Bitcoin or Ethereum? And so you want to sit tight, try and then watch this video to the end where I unveil my 3 pro tips so that we can maximize making profits trading Bitcoin or trading Ethereum or trading any cryptocurrencies, and making our high profits, running home with them. So when we talk about trading cryptocurrency, what does it mean? Sometimes, people think about trading cryptocurrency as going into the market and then buying, and then we are waiting to sell it at that moment. It could mean that, but generally, trading cryptocurrency is when you buy. We have several ways of trading, right? We have spot trading where you go in there and then you buy, let's say you go and buy Bitcoin or you go and buy Ethereum, and what you have done is you leave it there for the price to appreciate and then you sell. That is spot trading, and that is in this video. I want to limit it to just spot trading. Subsequently, we will look at the different forms of trading cryptocurrencies. So, you talk about going in there to buy and then hold until price appreciates and you sell. And some people immediately, the thing that comes to their mind is you need a big sum of money to trade something like Bitcoin or Ethereum. No. You can trade Bitcoin or you can trade Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency starting with $50 or $100, right? You don't need a whole, sum of how much Bitcoin costs, like 66,000, 67,000 to be able to trade it. You can buy it in bits. And I don't know, maybe that is why we call it Bitcoin. So if we want to trade Bitcoin or if we want to trade cryptocurrencies, we should use Bitcoin as our major indicator because all the other Bitcoins follow the way Bitcoin moves. Okay, all the other cryptocurrencies, I should say, they follow the way Bitcoin moves. So here, I remember one of my videos where I said, Bitcoin is the mother of all cryptocurrencies because all the other cryptocurrencies follow Bitcoin, like mother and baby. Mother carrying baby, so Bitcoin carry all the other cryptocurrencies at its back. If Bitcoin is falling, it leads all the other cryptocurrencies to fall suit. If Bitcoin is rising, it pulls all the other cryptocurrencies up. So if you are somebody who is interested in trading cryptocurrencies, then you should pay serious attention to looking at Bitcoin, to looking at its price movements, and then everything else about Bitcoin. Then you will be successful trading other cryptocurrencies. Otherwise, you could, be trading in the opposite of how Bitcoin moves, which will land you into the red. One of the mistakes that beginner traders make when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies is looking for random coins. You don't do that. What you do when you really want to be successful trading cryptocurrencies, you look for the currencies that have stability on the market. And we are talking about Bitcoin, we are talking about Ethereum, we are talking about Solana. At least these three coins have shown some stability on the market for some time now. So what we can do is to do our research, and we could go to places like Coin Markets app or CoinGecko and try to find out about some of the new coins that have also come that are ready to break out. It could serve as an opportunity to capitalize on the breakout and make some profits trading them. Otherwise, then my recommendation will be to look at trading these major cryptocurrencies that have shown stability, and that is Bitcoin, Solana, and then Ethereum. So let's now clear something out. Should we hold on to our crypto for dear life, or we should trade actively? Like I was saying, when you are doing spot trading, you want to buy and then you want price to appreciate and then you sell. So to hold on for dear life or hold on for long term, then you want to look at Bitcoin, you want to look at Ethereum, and you want to look at Solana. But for active trading, you want to look at altcoins, right? So you could buy those ones. Maybe you could do day trading, just buy and then wait when price appreciates, and then you could use other strategies and indicators to be able to analyze charts very well so that you could do scalping or day trading, or you want to swing trade, you buy it today. When price moves tomorrow or tomorrow next, you cash in and then you get out. Okay, so we have a bonus save, and what I want to say is that let's try to secure our profits. Don't get caught up in the excitement and then wait. Some of us, we are all guilty to this, but by experience, I can tell you that you shouldn't be caught up in the excitement of holding on to the profits when you have a decent profit that you can take. Please, let's learn how to secure our profits, because sometimes you will be excited and you keep watching, and before you realize, instead of a green, then green starts to diminish, and before long, we have it in the red. Please secure your profits. And then I want to say that let's not forget to put in our stop loss, right? Just as you set up, you can take profits, and then you can equally set your stop loss so that in case the trade doesn't go the way you want it to go, then you can be cut out without your account being, wrecked to the red, right? So there you have it. Crypto traders, if you love to trade cryptocurrencies and make profits, then I think that this video is your video. Please, you can watch this over and over again, and I will say that for those who are new, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel, because here we are going to be exploring all these tips and tricks to making money, either trading crypto, forex, or stocks, and you don't want to miss that. Right. For those who have been here, the world builders, I want to encourage you to continue to like and then continue to comment. I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Start with nothing, start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick you build it right. From the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step. Every fall a future pep. No experience, just a heart. That's the way you got to start.